Hello, and welcome to Cash Flow Ciphers. If you're curious about Bitcoin and how you can invest in it safely, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll break it down into simple terms so you can take your first steps into the world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Let's start with the basics. Bitcoin is the first and most popular cryptocurrency. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Think of it as digital money that isn't controlled by any bank or government. Instead, Bitcoin runs on a decentralized network called blockchain. A blockchain is a digital ledger that records every Bitcoin transaction. It's secure, transparent, and nearly impossible to tamper with. This technology is what makes Bitcoin so revolutionary. Now, why do people invest in Bitcoin? For many, it's a store of value, like gold. Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed since its early days, attracting investors looking for high returns. But remember, it's also highly volatile, meaning its value can go up or down very quickly. How to invest safely in Bitcoin? Ready to invest? Here are 5 tips to do it safely. Tip number 1. Use a reliable cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. These platforms are user-friendly and have strong security measures. Tip number 2. Store your Bitcoin in a secure wallet. Hot wallets are online and convenient, but cold wallets, like hardware wallets, offer better protection from hackers. Tip number 3. Start with a small amount. Only invest what you can afford to lose, especially if you're new to cryptocurrency. Tip number 4. Stay informed about Bitcoin trends and news. The crypto market is influenced by global events, so keeping up to date is crucial. And finally, tip number 5. Beware of scams. Never share your private keys and be cautious of schemes promising guaranteed profits. Final thoughts. So, there you have it, a beginner-friendly guide to understanding Bitcoin and investing safely. Remember, cryptocurrency is exciting, but comes with risks. Educate yourself and invest wisely. Subscribe to Cash Flow Ciphers for more financial tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cash Flow Ciphers. Let's decode financial freedom together.